Hello children. Today I am your teacher. My name's Paramita Mukherjee and today we are going to do a review of The Children of the Heaven, written and directed by Majid Majidi. So what is very interesting about this movie? This was shot in Tehran, Iran, a very humble background, and this was shot in a very secretive way. Though this went to be the first Iranian film to be nominated in the Academy Awards. And if you log into any of your internet sites, you can see how famous this is and how well made this is. This actor director Majid Majidi went on throughout his life to win many such prestigious awards. So the protagonist of this movie is Ali, and you can say the supporting role and all the activities against him is done by Zara, his sister. So they are shown to belong from a very low middle class society and family of Tehran, Iran, where his father struggles every day to make their ends meet. So every day they are trying very hard, going on with all the obstacles. In spite of that, these two children are called children of the heaven, as the name suggests, as the title suggests, because they have all the human qualities like innocence, empathy, compassion towards each other. So what happens when Ali loses the pair of just cobbled shoes of his sister Zara? So while he goes on to buy some of the household stuff from a grocery store, because his mother being very ill and bedridden, and these children work very hard and are not able to enjoy their childhood. So these characters are very universal and the story is very exciting and poignant. So when he returns to his house, he is very distressed to tell this to his father, who is already struggling. So both of them make a agreement, the two children, to keep it a secret. So they make an arrangement, but the arrangement, as you know, it happens in very poor background. They are not able to even manage the arrangement. So then, as a silver lining, Ali gets enrolled into a race where the third prize being one pair of shoes and a vacation. So he's attracted to the third prize, and the irony is, in spite of winning the first prize, he is not happy because he is not able to buy Zara, his sister, the pair of shoes, and he is not ready to face Zara as he have a look at the disappointed face. So at the end, though everything is resolved, and you are going to watch the movie, I know, for see what happens at the end. But the message from this movie, children, is that in spite of all the hurdles, all the negative energy like poverty, vengeance, greed, whatever it is, the children and every one of us, not only the children, even us, the adults, should maintain human qualities like compassion, empathy, sympathy towards our fellow mates, colleagues. You might have within your friend circle that extend your hands when they need help. What will it do? Charity begins at home. So you will be able to maintain your human qualities throughout your life if you practice this right here in the classroom, in your life, in your family. So your homework for today will be, you'll watch the movie and you will write 5 or 10 to 10 sentences on your favorite character from the movie. So any questions? Yeah. The parallel stories do you find with this movie? Yeah, Chiller Party, Stanley Ka Dabba. So you have watched those movies, now watch this movie also. I think you'll love it. Bye children. Have a good day.